Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for fall and winter basics, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Sweaters from Time and True. So they have a mock neck drop sleeve, it's a ribbed wrist, a shorter boxy fit in the purple and lavender. There's a blue, the navy, white and black, and then we saw this solid black. They're $17.98. How cute are these multicolored striped sweaters from Free Assembly? So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, has the oversized ribbed wrists. How pretty is the detail? And then the same fit through the back. I like this one because it's not like too Christmassy with the red and green. They also have the blues in there. And then they also have a neutral white, gray, and black. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, oversized gold buttons. How pretty is that detail with the front pockets? Relaxed through the wrists. Has that same print running through the back in the red and black. This one looks like it's a favorite. It's flying off the shelves, the white and blue. And print running through the back. A new little fuzzy sweater from Free Assembly. So these have a high neckline, more of that boxy fit. Ribbed bottom, has that drop sleeve, and then the same kind of boxy fit through the back. New cardigan. How pretty is this one from Free Assembly? So look how pretty it looks up close. Like that fuzzy detail. Has the oversized gold buttons, two front pockets, has that banded wrist, and then the same fit through the back. V-neck rib tops from Time and True. So these have the plunging V, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist. Has the ribbon going in the same direction. In this turquoise, there's burgundy, black, gray, and they're $14.98. New cardigans from Time and True. So they have that crew neckline, that side seam detail, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This one's really soft. In the brown, Fair Isle also comes in the blue with the brown. And they are $22.98. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has the pearled buttons, has that side seaming, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Seam fit through the back in the gray. Also comes in the navy and white. And then on this side, how pretty is this cardigan with the skirt set? So it has the high neckline, really pretty medallion buttons, faux pockets, two functioning pockets at the bottom, relaxed wrist, that shorter fit, comes in the green and navy, also in this red and blue. And then to match, they have the pull-on skirt. So it's pull-on, fit and flare in those same colors, the red and green. It's that same kind of sweater material. And then red and blue skirt. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, has the rhinestone buttons. Look how pretty. Has the oversized kind of thicker sleeve, and then has the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. That's what the material looks like up close. In the pink, also comes in the black. Also new from Gloria Vanderbilt are these Fair Isle sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, has that really pretty beige print, the ribbed bottom with the ribbed wrist, that same fit through the back. These are $26.98. My eye on this sweater, it's in the girls section, but I can usually fit in a girl's large or extra large. How cute. Oh, this is the Snoopy one. So the Snoopy has the ears with the hood. And then they have a little Grinch one, a little crew neck, or the Grinch. So they have, it's like more of like a cropped, and then how cute is this one? Next basic we're shopping for are coats and jackets. These are new from Time and True. They have this smaller colorful button, two flat pockets, drop sleeve with the button on the wrist. In the black, also comes in the mid-tone denim. They're $24.98. New blazer style jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, a two flat pocket, oversized ribbed wrist, completely lined on the inside, and then that seam detail in the back. New little plush jacket from Sophia. So this one has the high neckline, has snap buttons, 2 front pockets, completely lined. It's that boxy fit. And how good is all this? Seam fit through the back. New coats from Free Assembly. So this is a corduroy material. Has that elastic on the wrist, quilted, has the elastic in the waist, side pocket with this belt, little tie, side tie, hood in the back. Oh, it makes little bows. So only seeing it in the black, and these are $48. Longer plaid coat from Free Assembly. So this one has the higher neckline with the little collar, relaxed through the wrist with that button detail, full buttons all the way down. It's nice and long with the 2 front pockets, completely lined, and then has that same fit through the back. And they're going to be $59. Free Assembly has the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pockets, button detail on the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside. And then that same fit through the back. Skirt has that little buckle detail with the wrap and the zipper in the back. Right next set, also new from Jessica Simpson. I'm like obsessed with all the new pieces from her. Has this really pretty oversized leopard look, faux fur, side zip, the relaxed wrist, really nice seam detailing, and then the seam in the back. So first are these sneak peek jackets from Madden NYC. They have that mid-size collar, tortoise buttons, the 2 flat pockets with the drop sleeve. Has the button detail on the wrist. It's more of a shorter boxy fit, and then has that seam through the back. The inside is completely lined in this pink and burgundy. Also comes in the white, black, and brown. And they are going to be $26.50. The next basic we're shopping for are pants and jeans. These are new from Time and True. It's a velvety material. I also saw they have black online. So they're high rise. They have that seam detailing. They're wide leg with pockets on the back. They're $26.98. Time and True, they have that flat front. It's a wide, flowy leg. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it's kind of like a French terry with elastic through the back. Comes in the green, also in the black. Underneath that, they have these new cable knit sweater pants from Free Assembly. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have that elastic waistband. Also has a functioning side pocket. It's a wide leg. And then that seam fit through the back. New belted trouser from No Boundaries. So these are a stretchy material. That's what it looks like up close. Has the side button zip, flare, and then no pockets in the back. And they're $14.98. Also new wide leg pants from Lee. So these are pull-on. They have this side pocket. It's a pony knit, flowy through the leg, seam fit through the back with the pockets. And they're $28.98. Wide leg jeans from No Boundaries. These are high rise. They have the whiskering nice and flowy, elastic in the back. The material on these is so nice. They're $16.98. And then right next to it, they have the camo pants. These are also wide leg. They're the cargo style, so they have the pockets. Those don't. They have the pork chop pocket, then also that cargo pocket. Wide through the leg and then elastic through the back. They also have these in some denim washes, and they're also $16.98. New cargo pant from Lee. So this one is a loose mid-rise straight, has that cargo pocket, flat pockets through the back, straight. It looks like it's a little tapered at the ankle in the green. There's also the camel, and they're going to be $31.98. Next, we're shopping for SWEATSET. So these are a sneak peek item from Celebrity Pink. They have that half zip, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, seam fit through the back, comes in the black with the pink, and then also this pink with the bow. This one doesn't have the zip. They're $16.98. And then to match, they have these jogger style sweatpants. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, the true jogger bottom with the little bow and star graphic. Also the black. You guys know I need these. And they're $16.98. Also have new in this like scuba kind of fleece material from Avia. These have the zip, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. The quality is really nice on these with the seam in the back. In the black, also in that green color. On this side, they have pink and beige, and they're $24.98. To match, they have the shorts, but I'm sure they have the pants also, so I'll have those linked. Because I'm in Florida, they probably did the shorts. But these have that same plush lining, the side pocket, in the pink, also in the black. I picked up this set in the black for my trip. I wore it to the airport. It was so comfortable. So from No Boundaries has that half zip seam detailing, side pocket, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. This comes in the beige, black, that blue, and plum, and they're $12.98. And then the sweatpants, I got these same sweatpants in the black with the cargo pocket. These are $10.98. I think for the blue and the plum, they have like a different style of sweatpant, but I'll have them linked. New mock neck scuba sweatshirt from Scoop. This one has that side seam, banded wrist, the banded bottom, seam fit through the back. They are $24, and then the pants to match, they're the barrel leg elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket with the jogger bottom, and then that seam fit through the back. Also new super soft little hoodie and pant set from No Boundaries. So look at this up close, like Barefoot Dreams. Has the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This also probably is a Frankie bikini dupe. I don't know if they have this. Look how nice that is. And it's like a gray brown, also in the baby blue, and they're $17.98. To match, they have these flared pants in the same material. They have the ribbed waistband fit, flares out in the blue, also in that brown, and they're also $17.98. Aloe, look for less sweat sets from Athletic Works. These have that crew neckline, has the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom in the gray, the beige, green, and black. They're $10.98. And then they also have the pants to match, just like the Aloe sets. Elastic waistband, true jogger in all of those same colors. And they're also $10.98. Sweat sets from No Boundaries. So these have the crew neckline, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Inside it's a super soft fleece. In the purple there's a gray, black, that light blue color. And then the pants have the elastic waistband, true jogger bottom in those same colors, and both pieces are $10.98. They also have the plush shorts now that go with the plush pullovers from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy fit. In the white, they also have that light blue, pink, black, the purple. And they are going to be peak plush pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have the quarter zip drop sleeve, the elastic wrist, side pockets, a little toggle on the side. In the blue with the mountains, also comes in white with the bear. There's pink, ivory, black, plum, leopard, and then how pretty is the Fair Isle. And these are going to be $12.99. From No Boundaries, they have the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, kangaroo pockets in the ivory. Also comes in plum. There's black and gray, and they're $14.97. Basic, we're shopping for a graphic tees. They have so many cute ones for the holidays. This one's from Holiday Time. It has the crew neckline, relaxed fit. In Santa's Favorite. Also have the Christmas tree cakes. This one, Making Spirits Bright. The little tray with the bows. Naughty List Club. And how cute is this one? The Santa and the horse. And these are $6.98. Oh wait, there's also a Jingle All the Way. On the Rounders, women have graphic tees now. So they have a new Harry Potter. This looks like it's more of a fitted style. They also have Spider-Man. There's Hello Kitty. I think we saw Betty Boop. There's a new Beetlejuice. I have some new graphic tees from Time and True. These have that crew neckline. It looks like a little bit of a smaller fit than usual, but still relaxed. In the black Rolling Stones, they also have the Bear Grateful Dead. There's Woodstock with the purple, and then the light blue and Queen. And then also in the sleep section from No Boundaries, they have these graphic tees. This has that crew neckline, more of a boxy fit in the Mount Blanc. There's strawberry in the pink. We saw the drama queen. We saw the cherries. And I think some of these are on sale for under $7. Basic we're shopping for leggings. They're from No Boundaries. These are that soft kind of stretchy material. It looks like they're mid-rise, fitted through the ankle length. In this black floral, they also have this new red and black plaid, a black camo, the black with the watercolor flowers, solid black. There's this purple with the little paisley print. There's a green, and these are $4.98. New ivory leggings in this like ribbed soft material. These are high rises, ankle length, $7.98. They also have these. I think these are like $6. And the black floral, also the gray. I think those are the only ones that are new. Fold over leggings from No Boundaries. So they have some new colors. These are super soft, stretchy fit with the perfect amount of flare. We saw the brown. Now they have this gray color, and they're $8.98. So these new fold over flare pants from No Boundaries. These are super soft. They're rib material, fold over fit, and then that perfect flare comes in the ivory, also in the burgundy, and they're $11.98. New Buttercorp capris. So these are from Athletic Works. They have a little bit of a high rise, that seam detail fitted through the leg, flared at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. In the charcoal also comes in gray. There's that light blue and green, and they're $15.98. Match, I showed these before. They're the Buttercorp jacket, so they're more of a relaxed fit. They have the banded wrist, side pocket, nice and stretchy with the hood in the back, in the green, blue, gray, and that charcoal, and those are $19.98. And then they also have a jogger option. I shared those maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then the next basic we're shopping for are boots. These are sneak peek item. I really love them. I tried them on. They're very comfortable. I think I'm going to pick them up. They have that platform round toe, that fold over look, really good look for less. They're $34.98. Also new kitten heel boots from Madden NYC. These have the pointed toe, kitten heel, pull on. These look like they have a wider calf, and they're $50. Also new over the knee boots. These look like they're from, I think they're from Time and True. So these have that pointed toe, chunky heel. It has the western detailing, and these are going to be, I don't know where the tags are. We got some tags on. There's no price. I think they're $50. I'm not 100%, but they'll be linked down below. New color in the fry boots from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, chunky heel, the embroidered detailing. We also saw these in the yellow color, and they're $44.98. Moto boots from Madden NYC. These have a little bit of a square toe, chunky heel, that buckle detail, and they're $50. New color in the zipper boots from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, chunky heel with the zipper. They fold over. We saw them in the black. Now they're in the beige, and they're $39.98. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.